So today I am showing you 10 outfits for when you feel like you have nothing to wear. This is mostly a challenge to myself because I feel like this all the time, which is totally ridiculous because I own so much clothing. So I thought, Jill, just make it work, put together some outfits, and might as well film it. So here we are with outfit number 1. This is one of my favorites in the video, actually. I really, really like this. Been loving these white pants lately. They have a really cute little button detail, and I think they just look great with this cute turtleneck. It's really lightweight, and the little flats keep it looking smooth. Hot tip, by the way, my favorite way to wear jewelry when I'm wearing a turtleneck or something is to keep like the back of it inside my sweater and just pull the front out. Does that make sense? I hope that you can see what I'm talking about here. Added some gold hoops. Those are my favorite earrings. And here we are with our completed look. This next one is very exciting because it is the grand reveal of my brand new holiday merch, and that is this cute little sweater, which I'm obsessed with. I paired it with this green skirt because Christmas, and these really simple white sneakers, which I wear way too often in this video. But let's talk about this sweater a little bit. It's for all of you drinkers out there. So on the front it has this, and then on the back it has a really cute saying that says, "I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, but if the white runs out, I'll drink the red." I think it's pretty cute. I really like it. The sweater is super soft and comfy on the inside. I'm sort of obsessed, and as you can see, we have a second sweater option here, and this is a very Molly Christmas sweater. Get it? Merry Christmas, Molly Christmas. Do we all get it? And it has Molly in a freaking Santa hat on the back of it. Are you kidding me? And then on the front, it just has my little logo. So super cash, but obviously you should be rocking Molly this holiday season. And I mean my cat, not anything else. Here she is. She's not a fan, but I think she's just mad because I won't give her a percentage. What are you gonna do, right? So link to these down below. Check them out if you're interested. And look at this cute little clip of Molly following me. Just love that. Hello, corduroy. I am so glad that you're in this fall because you are so, so comfy. And look at these pants. They're adorable. Obviously, they're pink, fun. Love them. And I feel like the move with this outfit is just to keep the rest of everything pretty simple. Added this little bag. These white sneakers have a little pink tongue, so I thought that was cute with the pink pants. And then just a plain white bodysuit just to complete the outfit. Okay, these trousers, I'm obsessed, and how perfect are they for the fall? Like, they are the color for fall. I love them. They're from Forever 21, but I got them last year, so not sure if I'm gonna be able to find them, TBD. And I just paired them with this wrap shirt, like wrap like with a W, from Princess Polly. Just wrapped it around, as you can sort of see here. Added this gold charm necklace, which I just tucked inside because I like to wear longer necklaces like inside my shirt, if that makes sense. And these sunglasses, which I've been obsessed with and have finally like broken me out of my shell of only ever wearing the same pair of Ray-Bans over and over and over again, which is great. And then of course, if it's a little bit chillier wherever you are, a cute fuzzy jacket like this is lovely. I like this one because it doesn't have like the long fuzz on the inside, so it doesn't get like gross and sticky when you sweat in it. So I'm a big fan of this look. Alrighty, I shared this look on my Instagram last week, I believe, maybe earlier this week. I don't know, it's hard to keep track. And you guys were obsessed, so I thought, let's show it in this video. I have this adorable button-up dress, which is from Sadie and Sage, and I just love it. Again, it's corduroy, so great for the fall time. And I layered it with this star mesh top. It's actually a bodysuit, so it stays like really nice and tight inside of whatever you wear, which I love. Paired it with my Gucci bag, and I just think this is so cute. Plus, of course, Chelsea boots, another fall staple. Just obsessed with this look, and you can add tights if you feel like you're gonna be too cold in this. Okay, this outfit was really assembled purely for the boots because look at those boots. You guys, I mean, am I right or am I right? This sweater is adorable too. I'm really obsessed with it. I love the little like palm detail on it. Are those palms? I don't know. But I mean, the boots are obviously the star of the show. They are so damn cute. I mean, I'm just so obsessed with them. I feel like I want to wear them absolutely every single day. So here's a little rant about my boots. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Alrighty, you cannot make a fall fashion video without a puffer jacket. Am I right, ladies? I really love this one because it's such a fun, bold color, and it's also not like a huge puffer jacket where it's just like too much for LA. So I love that. Bright red, super fun. And I just paired it with this light pink long sleeve thermal, which I believe is from Forever 21, my Docs, which I'm so glad I didn't get rid of my Docs when they were sort of out of style, because now that they are back in style, I'm already prepared and sort of obsessed with them again. So really loving this look. I feel like this one's casual and like everyone has pieces similar to this that they can put together. Kept the jewelry simple and let the jacket be the star of the show. Okie doke, this is another one that I shared on my Instagram and you guys sort of lost your minds over, so had to include it. It is this amazing pink jacket, which I like to call the pink pimp jacket, because it sort of looks like you're a pimp, but in a really cute and endearing way, not in like a weird creepy way. So again, I really wanted the jacket to be the star of the show, which is why I just kept everything else black, except for my shoes, which are also really freaking cute. Snakeskin, love that. A little bit of gold jewelry, some fun sunglasses. These are sort of cute because they have a little pink detail, which match the jacket, just to be extra. There's a close-up on the shoes. Love them, love this look, and I hope that everyone is a fan of this just as much as I am. Alrighty, this is our second to last look, so I'm sorry that this video is coming to an end. But I love this as well. Obviously, layering is the move when it comes to dresses during the fall and winter. I love the color of this dress. Again, I find it to be very like cute, fall, fun. And just a plain white shirt like this is, I feel like everyone has that in their closet, so easy for you to recreate something like this. Again, I pulled out just the front of my necklace over the sort of turtleneck top. Remember how I said I like doing that earlier? I hope you guys know what I mean when I say that. And here is our look. Okay, outfit number 10. I actually really like this one. These fun mom jean fit pants, jeans, whatever. They're from Abercrombie. Oh, here's just me being really, sweet and wonderful with my cat, even though she wants nothing to do with me. And just kept it really simple, gray tank, cute little pair of slides, really easy for you to recreate in your closet. And then had to feature this jacket. This is my third winter with this jacket now, I believe, maybe fourth, and it's still my go-to when the weather gets cold. It just feels like you're wrapped up in a blanket. But it also looks at least sort of stylish. Sometimes I'm like, this is like a little oversized. I got a medium because it was the only size they had, but I was so obsessed with it, so I needed it. But here we are, and I'm still wearing it, and we just make it work. And if you want to look a little bit more cute and fitted, just like pull it off your shoulders. If it's extra cold out, throw on a beanie, because duh. And there you have it, the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on push notifications, and I'll see you next time.